Hello, my name is Patrick. I'm with the Sussex PAL team, and today I'm going to give you a little bit of an introduction into BlueJ. So if you're not aware, BlueJ is an IDE, that's an integrated development environment for Java. So it contains everything you need to start programming in Java. It's got text editor, compiler, so you can write and run your programs straight away from it, no other tools. So why do we use BlueJ? Well, BlueJ is a very simple tool. There's not a lot going on. It's got just enough to get you going and started, and it shows off your code in a very visual way, which you'll see in a minute. So it's really great if you're a brand new coder. Now, if you're a bit more of an experienced coder, maybe you've used some other IDEs, programmed in some other languages before, you'll find BlueJ useful because University of Sussex requires it for your coursework. So even if you want to write your code with another tool, another IDE, you're still going to want to get BlueJ because you'll need to submit all of your coursework as a BlueJ project. So to install BlueJ on your own machine, you're going to want to go to their website, bluej.org, and download the installer for the operating system of your choice. It's available for Windows, Mac and Linux, so you shouldn't have any issues. It's very simple. The link to download everything is right on the front page. Now if you're using one of the lab machines at Sussex, instead what you're going to want to do is open up the software hub. From there you can search for BlueJ. You'll find it should be the first result, and you can just press the launch button and it will download and start the software for you. Now that we've got BlueJ open, you're going to want to start by making a new project. So if you go on to the project bar up top and click on New Project, give your project a name, and then you'll see that the buttons are no longer grayed out. Now the two crucial ones you'll see there are New Class and Compile. Now if you're a complete beginner to programming, that's alright, you may not know what a class is. You'll learn all about that soon enough. But if you want to make a class, just click on the New Class button, give it a name, and you'll see a little bubble pop up in BlueJ representing your class that you've just created. Now if you double click that, you'll see a little text box pop up, and this is where you can start writing all the code that will go into this class that you've created. Now I won't go into all the details about how to code and what this all means, but to start with, I'll just add in a little snippet of code that will be our little Hello World program. So now that's in there. You can press compile at the top of your text editor or from the main window, either or. You'll need to compile your code every time before you run it. So we can close that text box now. And if we want to see what our code is actually doing, we need to create an object from our class. Now again, this may not mean anything to you if you don't know anything about object-oriented programming. But if we right-click on our little class and create a new object, you can give your object a name, and it will pop up at the bottom there. Now to run this little snippet of code we've just written, you want to right-click on the object, press the little hello method that we've just added, and from there you'll see Hello Sussex. So that's the principles of how to use BlueJ. Nice and simple, doesn't need to go any further than that. Of course, once you're done, you just want to go up top and save your project. You don't want to lose any of your coursework. And that about covers it. In the future, we'll go into more about how to code, what are classes and objects, or of course you'll learn all about that in your lectures and lab sessions. I hope this little introduction was useful. If you have any more questions, the PAL team will be in the back of Lab 1 as per usual, or on the Discord. Thank you for watching.